Want to build muscle and lose fat without starving or eating bland food? These 5 high-protein meals are your shortcut to a leaner, stronger you. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, your go-to for smart, science-backed health and nutrition tips. Today, I'm sharing 5 delicious, muscle-building, fat-burning meals that are packed with protein, easy to prepare, and perfect for any fitness goal, whether you're cutting, bulking, or just staying lean. Stick around for a shocking myth about protein timing, and one food that boosts fat loss by over 30% in studies. Let's dig in. First up, Meal 1 High-Protein Breakfast Scramble. Start strong with a breakfast that fuels your muscles and metabolism. All you need: 3 whole eggs, 2 egg whites, half a cup of diced bell peppers, half a cup of spinach, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook it all together and you've got over 25 grams of clean protein, healthy fats for your hormones, and vitamins to kickstart your brain and metabolism. Pressed for time? Meal prep the veggie mix, then just scramble everything together in minutes. Meal 2, Grilled Chicken Quinoa Bowl. This one's perfect for lunch or post-workout, a lean, balanced bowl that does it all. You'll need 150 grams of grilled chicken breast, half a cup of cooked quinoa, steamed broccoli, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of lemon tahini dressing. Chicken gives you complete protein, quinoa brings plant protein and fiber, and broccoli is great for detox and inflammation. Here's a surprising stat: studies show that meals with balanced protein and fiber keep you full up to 40% longer than high-carb meals. Ready for something different? Meal 3 Spicy Salmon with Avocado Slaw. If you want fat loss and glowing skin in one bite, try this anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Use 120 grams of baked salmon, seasoned with paprika and garlic, 1 cup of cabbage carrot slaw, and half an avocado smashed with lime juice. You get omega-3s for fat metabolism, protein for muscle recovery, and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar. Mythbuster. Fat makes you fat. Wrong. The right fats, like those in salmon and avocado, actually help your body burn more fat, not store it. Meal 4. Lean beef and sweet potato skillet. Craving something hearty? This one's for the heavy lifters. Just grab 150 grams of extra lean ground beef, half a cup of diced sweet potatoes, onions, bell peppers, a dash of cumin, and smoked paprika. You get iron and B12 for oxygen to your muscles, sweet potato for long-lasting carbs, and protein for muscle repair. Pro tip: use grass-fed beef if possible. It's higher in omega-3s and CLA, which help burn fat. And finally, Meal 5, the post-workout protein smoothie. Your post-workout meal can make or break your gains, so don't skip it. Blend 1 scoop of whey or plant-based protein, half a frozen banana, a tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and if you like, a bit of cacao or cinnamon. You get 25 grams of protein, carbs to refill glycogen, and it's fast, portable, and delicious. Here's the science. A 2023 review showed muscle protein synthesis peaks when you eat within 2 hours post-training, but total daily intake matters even more than timing. Let's recap the top 5 meals to build muscle and burn fat. Protein veggie scramble, a quick, clean start. Chicken quinoa bowl, balanced and satisfying. Spicy salmon with slaw, healthy fats, anti-inflammatory. Lean beef sweet potato skillet for strength and satiety. Post-workout protein smoothie recovery on the go. Remember, it's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Protein is your friend, fat is not the enemy, and carbs aren't evil. Balance is key. Which of these meals are you excited to try first? Drop a hash meal 1 to hash meal 5 in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you don't miss the next drop.